For decades, we've explored solar power, but it's always had limitations. Imagine if the sun never set on our power source. This video explores an audacious engineering project, space-based solar power. Earth-based solar power works wonderfully on clear days, but is useless at night and struggles under heavy clouds. What if we could bypass Earth's rotation and weather entirely, building a power station where the sun never sets? This concept is being designed by the Chinese Academy of Sciences, a space-based solar power system. Let's break down the monumental three-step plan, which is grounded in real physics. The plan involves launching and assembling a colossal, kilometers-wide solar platform in geostationary orbit, 36,000 kilometers above Earth. Incredible technology will convert uninterrupted sunlight into a focused microwave beam. This energy will be transmitted wirelessly down to a receiving "rectenna" station on the ground, feeding clean energy directly into our power grid. The scale of this project truly redefines our future. Chinese researchers estimate a single station could generate more energy annually than every drop of oil we currently pull from the Earth in a year. This project has the staggering implication of making fossil fuels obsolete and providing ultimate energy security and independence for nations. This is an engineering odyssey on par with the Apollo program. We'll look at the immense challenges ahead and China's aggressive timeline. The aim is for test versions of the space-based solar power system to be in orbit by 2030. A full-scale, gigawatt-level system is projected to be online by 2050. Is this the dawn of the stellar-powered age? Watch to discover the incredible plan. This project aims to give our planet a clean, limitless, and stable power source. Do you think space-based solar power is the future of energy? Let us know in the comments.